Welcome to the NVIVO Qualitative Research Workshop. This course is designed for beginners, academics, and professionals. In just 60 minutes, you'll master NVIVO's basic operations, from interviews to thematic connections. Through practical examples, you'll experience NVIVO's powerful features and learn efficient data analysis techniques. Preparation is key for effective learning. Ensure your computer has NVIVO 2025 installed or access our temporary account. Prepare a sample interview text and familiarize yourself with NVIVO's quick reference guides. We'll conduct group learning to foster collaboration with real-time demonstrations on screen for clarity. Let's break the ice and set clear goals. Engage in interactive questioning to highlight the importance of data organization. In 1 hour, you'll learn to import data, complete basic coding, establish code connections, and export analysis results. Discover NVIVO's value in enhancing efficiency by over 60%. Explore NVIVO's interface and basic logic. Understand the project window structure, data import methods, and coding areas. Learn new user-friendly features like shortcuts and visualization tools. Practice by opening sample files and creating your first node, adaptation challenge. Engage in coding practice, transforming data into themes. Start with open coding, move to axial coding, and finally selective coding. Avoid overcoding by merging similar nodes. Record insights and discuss node naming conventions. Group work will be guided by instructors. Delve into advanced operations, relationship building, and result exporting. Use coding matrices for cross-analysis, generate node clouds, and export coding reports. These tools enhance your ability to visualize and communicate findings effectively. Apply what you've learned to solve challenges. Task 1. Create core nodes and establish a set of relationships. Task 2. Export coding summaries and network diagrams. Anticipate common questions and demonstrate solutions, such as recovering coding history. Conclude with a review and queue and a session. Recap the process: data import, coding, linking, visualization, and output. Address questions like the necessity of NVIVO for small-scale research and collaborative project sharing. Reinforce the value of NVIVO in qualitative research. Post-course resources and challenges for continuous improvement. Receive 100 NVIVO tips and industry case templates. Challenge: analyze your own interview data using NVIVO. Share your insights with peers to enhance your skills and understanding. Course design logic and selection strategy. Address pain points for beginners with real case walkthroughs. Complete the input process output loop in 1 hour. Provide immediate feedback and extend value through quick links and templates. Gather feedback to refine future courses.